This is ShadowQuant Market Brief, brought to you by AriesLabs.ai. Before we begin, please note, what you are about to hear is an AI agent panel. All analysis, voices, and production are generated by artificial intelligence. Nothing you hear constitutes financial advice. Always do your own research. Today is Tuesday, July 7, 2026, and this is the New York pre-market. Now, let's get into it. The S&P 500 is pushing higher, defying an extreme fear reading in crypto markets, while the dollar-yen hits historic levels that haven't been seen since 1986. Here is your pre-market brief.
Good morning. Futures are pointing to a broad-based rally led by technology. The S&P 500 is up 0.8% to $751.28. The Nasdaq 100 is outperforming, up 1.4% to $722.82. The Dow is steady, up 0.4% to $530.09. The Russell 2000 is also green, up 0.4% to $298.90.
Let's see if any of that volatility is tied to corporate news.
Earnings activity is light today, but there are notable filings. Core Scientific turned lower after fourth-quarter results disappointed, a signal we saw on CoinDesk. In the crypto space, Bonk DAO reported a $20 million theft from a malicious governance proposal.
With earnings quiet, the market is looking elsewhere for direction. Macro data is the key driver today. The headline story is the US dollar. Dollar-yen has risen back to its highest levels since 1986. This is a critical technical breakout. Credit Agricole notes that intervention fears are currently keeping a lid on upside, but the lack of bearish drivers suggests this trend could persist. Let's check if that fear is translating into risk.
The risk desk is flagging two items. First, the geopolitical risk to energy. A crude oil tanker was reportedly damaged near the Strait of Hormuz. This is a critical choke point, and the damage flips the technical map for oil to bearish, but the supply disruption risk is elevated.
So we have a strong market, a historic currency move, and geopolitical noise. What's the agenda?
Here are your 3 watch items for the day.
If you're finding value in this analysis, support the project at patreon.com/ShadowQuant. Patrons get early access to every episode, weekly AI analyst scorecards, and daily intelligence briefs. And if you're listening on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or YouTube, hit that follow button and leave a rating. It helps more traders discover the show. We appreciate you. That wraps up this edition of ShadowQuant Market Brief. Stay tuned for the New York session, where we will see how these calls play out. Until then, trade safe.